Hey everyone, CJ here from Diode. Today, we'll be giving you a full overview of our Stage Series bedlight kit like you see here on this 2022 Toyota Tundra. This kit is built to make your life easier. Whether you're loading up camping gear at night, grabbing tools on the job, or just need to see what's in the bed of your truck, this kit has you covered. It was designed specifically for the 22 to 24 Tundra and 24 and up Tacoma bed rails, so it bolts on easily and gives you a huge increase in light output exactly where you need it. At the core of this kit are 4 Stage Series rock lights delivering powerful, even lighting across the entire bed. These lights are engineered for performance and durability, and like many of our other products, they're proudly assembled right here in the USA. With high and low output modes, you can adjust the brightness to fit your needs, whether you're grabbing something quickly or regularly working in total darkness. The kit mounts directly to your truck's factory bed rails using T-slot nuts for a clean, professional look with only slight modifications. Plus, we've made the installation process as simple as possible with plug-and-play connectors that plug in line with your factory bedlight harness. No cutting or splicing is required, and everything you need is in the box ready to go. And with a rock-solid 8-year warranty, you'll have total peace of mind knowing your investment is built to last. Now that you've seen what this kit can do, let's jump into the install. In the bed, remove the bedlight by applying slight pressure with a trim tool to bring the assembly outward. Unplug the OE harness and set the light aside. Next, use a T30 Torx bit to remove 6 bolts along the cargo rail. To completely remove the rail, it must slide partially forward to release from the alignment tab. This truck has an aftermarket bed cover, so we'll skip this step. Use a trim tool and remove the alignment tab. With a step bit, enlarge the hole to 5/8. Grab the included M8 extensions and begin feeding the male ends through the hole and out of the pocket where the OE bedlight was. Connect the female M8 connectors on the included switch harness to the male plugs on the extensions. Connect the male 2-pin connector of the harness to the OE bedlight connector, then connect the female 2-pin connector of the harness to the OE bedlight assembly and set aside. Feed the female side of the same M8 extension wires through the cargo rail where the alignment tab was. Reinstall the cargo rail using the original T30 fasteners, making sure it stays level. Use a trim tool to remove the lens from the rock light and add the bolt and washer into the center hole. Thread on the T-slot and leave about a ½ inch of space between the rock light and nut. On the cargo rail, remove the rear end caps by depressing down and sliding rearward. Slide the T-nut into the cargo rail, making sure the rock light M8 pigtail is on the side facing the OE bedlight. Use a 5/32 Allen to secure the rock light and reinstall the rubber seal and lens. Connect the rock light to the M8 extension and tuck the wiring away. Repeat for the other rock light on this side. Test for function. With everything functioning properly, configure the switch to the desired power level. You can configure the switch to our low or high power levels depending on your preference. The high power boasts 1000 lumens, while the low setting will give you 330 lumens of light. Once the power level is set, feed the harness in the side rail cavity and reinsert the OE bedlight. Repeat these same steps for the other side. If you're interested in picking up a Stage Series bedlight kit for your truck or any of our other products, be sure and check out our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on any new or future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.